Okay guys, we're up super early in the morning. Left the house at about 3:45 this morning, guys. Got to take a 200-mile trip to go get some parts for the Mustang. The hatch is nearly impossible to find, so got to go to extreme measures and get it while it's available. This is the only one I was able to find. There's one in Canada, 900 some miles away, and I got lucky with this one because it wasn't even listed. Our ETA is 8:45. I didn't take consideration that they're an hour up for us. We're going to some small town in Michigan. I'll show you guys when we get there. So I'm up early rolling, guys. This is not right. It's not up 6:57. I gotta set that. Gotta figure it out. You guys may can't see it now, but I'm rolling. All right, guys, we're here. Junkyard. This is the car. Meet this hatch. This bumper looks solid. I was gonna have to cut a piece off this quarter. Okay guys, we're rolling back out of here. The town's called Ypsilanti, Michigan. Parts in the back. Got the hatch, bumper. And we're on our way back to the crib. It's overcast here, a little chilly here, and it's nice in Chicago. Okay guys, today is the day we're gonna start removing lights, light bezels, and all the exterior components from off the car and get started. So let me show you the car right now, guys. Okay guys, here it is. Removing everything, all the marker lights, emblems, badges, tail lights, everything. So it's a good look at it.